Hi, I'm Don Gauthier, High Value Manufacturing Automotive Division Director. So there's many reasons that benefits our customers that we have the flexibility with our resources. One, the experience level it brings. We're dealing with 30-year experience individuals, mainly retirees that still have the drive and desire and the experience level to assist manufacturing operations across North America. These individuals can come into a customer and within a few hours be up to speed on any project or program and provide the service the customer needs. There's no learning curve for experienced resources. Also, our resources are flexible with the hours they want to work. They're okay with part-time work. They're also okay with coming into a company, working for a few months, taking a break and coming back. This allows our customers to take a pause when some operations need to be improved and wait for the experience level to come back and assist them. There's many reasons the flexibility helps, but one of them is definitely the knowledge level. The knowledge we can deliver is by far best in the industry.